Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have a very important announcement for everyone holding and trading Bitcoin right now. If you are holding any Bitcoin, this video is made for you. Dear ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe. I want to keep this video as short as possible, but this is important to understand. Not what's going to happen in the long run, but what is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. And I was posting recently a I want to make some slight adjustments here before it's too late, right? So what you can see here, and this is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, is that Bitcoin is still consolidating, right? And that is normal. We never see just like green candles after green candles. We always see consolidations, retracements, and what you can see here. Please bear with me until the very end. I want to talk about price targets. It's very important. What you can see here is this massive green candle towards the upside, breaking key resistance, key market structure, actually potentially confirming a Bitcoin bull market top, a Bitcoin bull market start. And of course, now we are seeing this rejection. The question is this now an M pattern? A local top for Bitcoin and we are going to break lower, or is this actually a bull flag and we are going to break higher? I will tell you both price targets, but more importantly, what I think, which of those scenarios is more likely to play out. What I am doing with my multi-million US dollar Bitcoin and Ethereum trade, the Bitcoin trade raking in 3.1 million US dollars here, and the profit is 1.75 million US dollars in a profit. The Ethereum trade is sitting at 100,000 US dollars in a profit, so 1.85 million US dollars in these trades. Well, let's talk about it. Let's talk about what is likely going to happen. And before I'm going into it, before I talk about these price targets, I wanted to ask everyone, kindly go down below, press like, subscribe and everything. But if you want to be trading as well, do it in a cautious manner. Do it, of course, at your own risk. But more importantly, wait for the break. Wait for the break. If you trade a pattern, don't hope for the break, wait for the break. You're going to miss out on a few percentages, but you are increasing your success rate by far. And I will leave you a link down below to Bybit. If you click register deposit, you can actually claim up to 30,000 US dollars for free on that specific trade. Use this bonus on the specific platform. Use the 30,000 US dollar bonus to trade only with that bonus and withdraw the potential profits from this up to 30,000 US dollar bonus as well. Link down below, click register deposit. Takes, I think, I don't know how much it takes, like maybe 15 seconds or something. Link is down below. Now let's talk about this. So let's treat it, first of all, as the, in my opinion, way less likely scenario of an M pattern. Way less likely, because also if you are looking at the candle closes, then you can see that the candle closes are higher than the previous ones. We are having a lower low, lower high. Here's a high and there's a lower high, but that's very normal for a bull flag also, right? But let's just say this is a M pattern, right? If that was to be an M pattern, which I don't think it is, but of course we want to be prepared. We want to be sophisticated traders and we want to be prepared for any scenario here, no matter what happens. If that was to be an M pattern, then you can pull this over and you can see that a breakdown, which is still possible, would just retest the $32,000 areas, the price target actually being located around 32,400 US dollars. Now, what is more likely? Usually, after breaking key market structure, after breaking extremely important resistance, forming something like this, it is more likely to be a bull flag. If this is a bull flag, which is now upwards tilted, and I know already there is going to be comments down below and saying, oh, bull flags are not upwards tilted. They can be upwards tilted very much. Just check it yourself, go into your trading books. Bull flags can be upwards tilted. It's just less likely usually, or a lower performance rate, but they can be. And if this was to be an upwards tilted bull flag, the price target would be the following. Let me quickly go back into it here. And what you can see, if I was to take the flagpole, then you can see the price target brings us to approximately 39,500 US dollars. You know the deal. We take profits before the price target. That would mean 38 to 39,000 US dollars as the profit target, price target taking area. But it would bring us actually extremely dangerously close to the $40,000 price target I mentioned earlier on, actually a few weeks ago, where people were still laughing at me for quoting these kind of price targets. Now we are getting closer and closer. And now, you know, if we break the horizontal M pattern support, that is when we can basically bank on a potential price target of 32,500. Less likely, but possible. If we are breaking the resistance, that is when the bullish price target comes into place. We need volume support. We need potentially even on the lower time frames the retest of the previous resistance, which is then turning into support. Less likely to happen on a bull flag. But then we are talking about price targets among $39,000. Let me know what you think about that. That was an emergency video. I'm gonna go back into my home here, the Marina Bay Sands. I love it. Extremely humbling always to walk back. I remember 12 years ago, I lived in a hostel in Singapore, traveled Singapore. I loved the food, was amazing. I was on the visitors platform on the Marina Bay Sands here, and I was dreaming about living here, visualizing basically, and now it seems like manifested it to live in this beautiful building. And yeah, it's just really amazing to see how reality unfolds. Thank you everyone for watching. I truly love and appreciate every single one of you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, you know what? Let me quickly show you the beautiful lobby here for everyone who stays in until the very end. The lobby is really amazing. Impressive, right? Wow. Anyways, bye-bye.